I've been taking pictures when I was very young, I think. I don't remember what age. I started by painting and drawing. And for me, photography was a mean of drawing, and that's all. Immediate sketch, done with intuition, and you can't correct it. If you have to correct it, it's the next picture. But life is very fluid. Well, sometimes the pictures disappeared, and there's nothing you can do. You can't tell the person, oh, please smile again, do that gesture again. Life is once, forever. Say, I wait for the top pictures, for great pictures. Well, it's seldom you make a great picture. You have to milk the cow quite a lot and get plenty of milk to make a little cheese.